Hello viewers, are you trying to set up IRS payment plan and keep getting errors? Don't worry, I will show you how to fix them step by step. In this quick video, I will show you some common IRS payment plan errors and how to fix them. Error 1, your request cannot be processed at this time. If you face this usually happens if your tax return has not been fully processed yet, or there's a mismatch in your account records. Error number 2, balance not eligible for a payment plan. This may occur if your tax step is too high for an online system or if you have already an existing payment plan. Error number 3, identity verification failed. If your name, SSN or AGI doesn't exactly match the IRS record, your request gets rejected automatically. So if you face these errors, I will show you how to fix them. Step 1, log in your account in irs.gov and verify your return has fully processed, your balance is accurate. If you verify both of them, go to step 2. Match your info exactly. Use the exact name, address and filing status from your recent tax return. Even a small mistake can cause rejection as they are very sensitive. Enter your IRS IP PIN. If you have been issued identity protection PIN, make sure to include it or the system will block you. Step 4, switch your browser or device. Believe it or not, the IRS site has some technical issues. Try a different browser, for example, from Firefox to Microsoft Edge, from Chrome to Opera or Safari. If these haven't fixed your problem, go to step 5. Call the IRS support. Dial 1-800-829-1040 to set up the plan by phone. This might take some time as they will verify and set up the plan, but it will work. Some tips to avoid future issues. Use the IRS direct pay system for a smoother transaction, or you can also set up the auto pay system. Keep your prior return data and login credential handy. Apply early in the day to avoid system overload or timeout, as many will give in the last moment, so it's better to give in the early in the days. If your balance is under $50,000, you usually qualify for a plan without needing to speak to anyone. And there you go, the problem's fixed. Don't forget to subscribe to get more tax tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.